This car hasn't moved for years. Today, we bring it back to life.
The heart of the car is completely destroyed.
Damaged doors are straightened or replaced. New glass is installed. Rust is removed. Dents are welded and smoothed using body filler.
Without electricity, a modern car is blind.
Moment of truth, the heart returns.
She's finally running smooth. Absolutely beautiful work, man. That sounds amazing.
This is not just a repair, it's a resurrection.
Radiator is flushed. New hoses, thermostat, and coolant fan are installed. Engine temperature sensors are tested. This prevents engine overheating.
A strong body is the foundation of a safe car.
Safety is not optional.
I can't believe it. It's magnificent. Thank you so much.
We are so glad you love it.
This car was once forgotten. Today, it lives again.